Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta tasty at home. First, always start with high-quality pasta and the freshest ingredients you can find. This truly makes a difference. Next, remember to salt your pasta water generously. It should taste like the sea, not just a pinch. Finally, cook your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, offering a slight bite. This ensures a delightful texture in every forkful. Now let's build a fantastic sauce. Begin by sautéing aromatics like garlic and onion until they are fragrant and translucent. This creates a wonderful flavor base. Then, deglaze your pan with about 1/4 cup of wine or vegetable broth, scraping up any brown bits. Finally, let your sauce simmer gently for at least 20 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a rich and complex taste. The magic happens when the pasta meets the sauce. Before draining your pasta, always reserve about 1 cup of that starchy cooking water. This liquid is gold. Then, transfer your al dente pasta directly into the pan with your simmering sauce. Toss everything together vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes, adding a splash of the reserved pasta water as needed. This helps the sauce cling perfectly to every strand. To finish, garnish your delicious pasta with fresh herbs like basil or parsley, and a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. A final drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil can also add a lovely richness and sheen. Serve immediately and savor your homemade masterpiece. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your home's ambience, check out the description below for a link to smart speakers and other great deals. They can really bring your space to life with amazing sound.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.